Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to download QGIS. For that, first we have to go to our web browser. Here, we have to type qgis.org. And here we have to select the first option, which is our official website of QGIS. So this is our official website of QGIS. Here we will have one download option, which is the current version of QGIS. I will select this. Now here we can see that there are different download options for different systems, one for Windows, one for Mac, Linux, and many others. So for mine, I will choose the download option for Windows. Now here we can see that it is getting downloaded, but it will take much time. So I will pause it because I have already downloaded it. So this is our QGIS. It will be looking like this. And here I would like to add that there are two different QGIS versions currently supported. One is LTR, which is a long-term release for stability, and another one is regular release, which is the newest version with more features. So you can check both of this on this QGIS official website. Thank you.